When looking into building a sleigh, I started to do a lot of research, and that involved a very narrow source material: films. I haven't seen the Santa Claus's sleigh, but there have been plenty of versions scattered throughout films. Today I'm going to list several films that I find have great Santa sleighs that should be strongly considered when you're building your own or designing other media that will include a Santa sleigh. First film is The Polar Express. We've got a regal look here with a carpet on the front instead of a rain rail, as well as a really big trunk for an oversized bag. The inside is beautiful and upholstered well. The seat has enough space for 2 or 3 people, it looks like. And the sleigh is a nice shade of red with some good looking trim. The next film is Santa Claus the Movie. This one is a more traditional take. There isn't any red and the whole thing is made of beautifully crafted wood. A very nice solid sleigh that has room for toys, can seat 2 comfortably, and has lanterns on the side, which I have no idea how they don't fall off.